at 25 to 65,000 RPM with power to 1.4 horsepower. Air turbine motors deliver a finer cut and faster cycle times. Air turbine motors are governed. As your turbine comes under load, a patented O-ring governor inside opens to increase airflow so you remain at high speed in cut. You have no wiring, no lubrication, no heat, low vibration, and you can mount up your motor in minutes, just needing a connection to 90 psi, 6.2 dry clean air, and you're ready to go. Light and powerful, operating under 65 decibels, these motors don't create a huge noise in your shop and are ideal for robotic deburring, composite milling, and many applications where high speed produces a better finish or is required to avoid fiber breakout if you're working in plastics. Air turbine motors are at work across the world and are proven, precise, and reliable.
You can find out more at airturbinetools.com or give us a call for an in-plant demonstration